back, friends. So for lesson 2, we're going to do your letter sound drills. I know Rocky told you we were going to. And we're again going to do our vowels. We'll do those every time. We'll do a few consonants, and we're going to do our glute sounds. Maybe you could show Mom and Dad all the signs and signals we do for the glute sounds. Also, don't forget to show them that when we tap a word that has a glute sound, like song, we would tap it s. Glue your fingers together, ong, song. Okay, remember that glute sound makes one sound. All right, so here we go. Are you ready? Let's go. A apple a safe a acorn a. E ed e Pete e me e. I itch I pine I hi I. O octopus O home O no O. U up U mule U rule U pupil U flew Y cry I baby E. IGH light I. Schwa wagon Let's just do a few consonant sounds. Here we go. B, bat, b. W, wind, w. R, rat, r. Y, yellow, y. K, kite, k. And last of all, let's do some glute sounds. Here we go. Remember to bounce your ball. A-L-L, ball, all. A-N, fan, an. A-M, ham, am. O-N-K, honk, onk. A-N-K, bank, ank. Or some of my friends like to go like this. U-N-K, junk, unk. I-N-K, pink, ink. A-N-G, fang, ang. I-N-G, ring, ing. U-N-G, lung, ung. And O-N-G, song, ong. Okay, thanks for doing a good job on drilling your sounds. We'll be back tomorrow with more letter sounds to drill.